The hybrid heater by Sioux Corporation is a high-output water heater designed to give industry-leading efficiency and minimize operating costs. Unlike direct-fired water heaters, whose efficiency drops at high water outlet temperatures, this heater can achieve 98% efficiency at water outlet temperatures up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, as verified by third-party testing. Operation and system monitoring is quick and easy either at the control panel with an easy-to-navigate touchscreen display or off-site using a smartphone app available for purchase. When installed in your plant, the hybrid will achieve high tank temperatures quickly and efficiently so you can save money while maintaining production in extreme cold weather. In this video, we will demonstrate how simple it is to set up and begin operating the hybrid. First, ensure that you are following all safety recommendations outlined in the Sioux manual before setting up or operating your machine. After unpacking your hybrid, place it in its operating location using the forklift pockets on the sides and front of the skid. Preparing the machine for operation requires just 4 connections: fuel supply, water supply, electrical supply, and exhaust stack. This model can be natural gas or propane fired, but diesel and combination gas-diesel versions are also available. The gauge at the natural gas connection point shows the gas pressure range that should be supplied to the machine. After connecting a gas supply, bleed any air from the line by removing the plug below the first gas pressure switch and opening the valve for a few seconds. After the air is bled, reinstall the plug and press the reset button on top of the switch. To switch from natural gas to propane, remove the pressure gauge and bushing from the burner tube inlet tee and insert the gas orifice, which is shipped loose with the machine, into the tee. Then replace the bushing and gauge. For diesel burners, just plumb a fuel supply to the fuel filter inlet and a return line to the tank. The water connections are located at either end of the skid. The connection at the front is for inlet water, and the one at the rear is the outlet. Use piping or approved hoses to connect the inlet and outlet to your water tank. Each hybrid will have a label in the upper right corner of the control panel that designates its required electrical supply. After a qualified electrician has wired power to the machine, you may turn the disconnect switch to the on position. The control panel display will load the interface, then show the home screen. The hybrid exhaust stack connection is at the top of the rear media compartment. Any ductwork connecting to the machine should be at least the same size as this top opening. It is recommended that a qualified HVAC contractor install this connection. With all the required connections made, you are now ready to operate the hybrid. Open the water lines to the inlet and outlet of the machine. Ensure that the 2 descaling loop valves are closed. There are 2 priming valves located on each pump. Open the top valve and allow any trapped air to bleed from the pump body. The pumps can be jogged to accelerate this process. To do this, navigate to the setup screen, then select the jog tab and select the pump to be jogged. Next, set your desired tank temperatures using the touchscreen. This can be done on the home screen by selecting Set, then entering the temperature. Additional settings can be adjusted by navigating the different tabs on the setup screen. Refer to the machine manual for details about these settings. The Configure button on the home screen allows the user to set which components will turn on when Start is pressed. So ensure that all components are set to on. Press the Start button to start the machine. The inlet pump will turn on until the proper tank level has been achieved. Then the discharge pump will turn on. The burner will turn on after water starts flowing in the coil. When the burner starts, check that the blower fan is rotating the correct direction. Refer to the machine manual for steps to change the rotation direction if it is not correct. The solenoid valves will route inlet water to the media section or straight to the process tank if the inlet water is too hot to prevent steam from forming in the media. The status and setup screens will show the status of these components, as well as all other safety alerts during operation. Once the start has been pressed, the unit will automatically adjust itself to reach and maintain the entered tank temperature with no further inputs. To shut down the machine, press the stop button on the home screen. If the machine needs to be drained, first shut the inlet and outlet valves, then open the drain valve of the process tank to drain the water left in the heat exchanger. In freezing temperatures, it is highly recommended that you antifreeze the heat exchanger after draining. Consult the Sioux product manual for additional recommendations regarding machine placement, setup connections, operation, shutdown, and freeze protection. Thanks for watching. For more information on the Sioux hybrid water heater or any of our other products, please visit www.sioux.com or give us a call at 605-763-3333.